Welcome to Nature's Remedy TV. Today, we'll explore a gentle and time-honored herbal tea blend that supports breast milk production, helps relieve postpartum stress, and provides emotional comfort during the recovery period. If you're a new mom navigating the early days after birth, this video is for you. The postpartum period is a sacred and intense phase. Your body is healing, your hormones are shifting, and you're adjusting to the rhythms of a newborn. Many mothers feel exhausted, anxious, and even unsure if they're producing enough milk. Nature has always offered gentle remedies to help support women during this transformative time. Let's meet 3 powerful herbs traditionally used in postpartum care. Chamomile soothes the nervous system, reduces stress, and helps improve sleep quality. Perfect for new moms who need rest. Fennel seeds, a natural galactagogue, which means it stimulates milk production. It also supports digestion and reduces bloating. Anise seeds, known for their mild, sweet flavor, they also help increase breast milk supply and calm colic in babies through breast milk. These 3 ingredients, when combined, create a powerful yet gentle blend for both body and mind. To make the tea, follow these steps. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of anise seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers. Pour 300 milliliters of boiling water over the herbs. Cover and let steep for 8-10 minutes. Optional. Once the tea cools slightly, you can add a teaspoon of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. This tea is more than a drink. It's a ritual. Each sip brings warmth, calmness, and healing. Chamomile helps relax your nervous system. Fennel and anise stimulate milk flow while reducing discomfort. It's a beautiful moment of pause in your busy day, a chance to nurture yourself as you nurture your baby. Remember, postpartum care is not just for the baby, it's for the mother too. You are healing, adjusting, and giving your all. This tea won't solve everything, but it can offer comfort, balance, and nourishment. Always consult with your doctor or lactation consultant before introducing any herbal remedies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Nature's Remedy TV. We're here to support you with natural, simple, and safe remedies backed by traditional wisdom. Take care of yourself, Mama. You're doing beautifully.